Today, I would like to present our e-poster entitled Integration of Malaysia Madani Principles in Business Practices, a case study of Sunningdale Tech Malaysia Sendirian Berhad. The purpose of this presentation is to explain how Malaysia Madani principles are applied in real organizational practices based on findings from interviews and analysis conducted in our assignment. Through this e-poster, we aim to highlight key management practices while presenting them in a concise and visually engaging format. Sunningdale Tech Malaysia Sendirian Berhad is a multinational company specializing in precision plastics manufacturing. The company supplies high-quality components to industries such as automotive, medical device, and consumer electronics. In Malaysia, Sunningdale Tech plays an important role in supporting the manufacturing sector by focusing on operational efficiency, product quality, and workforce development. The company emphasizes continuous training, workplace safety, and employee welfare in order to remain competitive in a fast-changing industrial environment. These strong organizational foundations allow Sunningdale Tech to integrate national values, particularly the Malaysia Madani framework, into its daily management practices.
Malaysia Madani is built on 6 core principles, namely sustainability, prosperity, innovation, respect, trust, and compassion. These principles aim to guide organizations toward ethical, inclusive, and people-centered development. Rather than focusing solely on profit, the Malaysia Madani framework encourages organizations to balance economic growth with social responsibility, environmental protection, and human dignity. In this presentation, we will explain how each of these principles is reflected in Sunningdale Tech's management practices. The first one is sustainability. Firstly, sustainability is one of the most important principles in Malaysia Madani, as it focuses on responsible resource usage and environmental protection. Based on the interview findings, Sunningdale Tech practices sustainability through proper waste segregation system where waste is separated according to specific categories. Employees are trained to follow these procedures to ensure environmental compliance. In addition, the company promotes energy-saving practice such as switching off unused machinery and equipment. Solar energy is also utilized in certain areas to reduce dependence on conventional electricity sources. These efforts demonstrate that Sunningdale Tech is committed to reducing environmental impact while maintaining efficient production operations, which aligns strongly with the sustainability principle of Malaysia Madani.
Innovation is the third principle and plays a crucial role in ensuring organizational competitiveness. At Sunningdale Tech, innovation is implicit through the use of automation, digital tracking system, and advanced machinery. This system help minimize human error, improve accuracy, and increase overall productivity. The company also tests new machinery and technologies before full-scale implementation. Employees are encouraged to identify operational issues and suggest to improve during meeting and discussion. The culture of continuous improvement shows that Sunningdale Tech embraces innovation as the strategic tool to enhance efficiency and maintain high-quality standard, in line with the innovation principle of Malaysia Madani. The second principle is prosperity, which refers to economic growth, workforce development, and community well-being. Sunningdale Tech support prosperity by providing employment opportunities, particularly to local communities, as the factory is located in a less urbanized area. Hiring local workers help reduce unemployment and support the local economy. Furthermore, the company invests in continuous employee training program to enhance technical skill and professional development. Employees are also provided with welfare assistance during emergencies, such as health issue or personal crisis. Through this initiative, Sunningdale Tax not only improve organizational performance but also contribute long-term economic and social prosperity in line with Malaysia Madani value.
Next, I will talk about respect. Respect is another essential principle that contributes to a positive and inclusive workplace environment. Sunningdale Tech demonstrates respect by promoting an inclusive culture where employees from diverse backgrounds are treated fairly. New employees undergo structured onboarding and training programs to ensure are well prepared and support in their roles. In addition, employee performance is recognized through rewards and appreciations program. This recognition motivates employees and reinforces a sense of dignity and value within the organization. By fostering mutual respect between management and employee, the company strengthens teamwork, communication, and overall workplace harmony. On the other hand, trust is built through transparency, accountability, and ethical management practices. At Sunningdale Tech, trust is established to a clear standard operating procedure and well-defined job roles. Employees understand their responsibilities and are confident in performing their tasks according to company standards. The organizations also implement performance-based reward system, including bonuses for long serving and high-performing employees. This approach reflects management's confidence in its workforce and strengthens mutual trust. Overall, these practices create a stable, trustworthy working environment that supports long-term organization success.
The final principle is compassion, which focuses on employee welfare and human-centered management. Sunningdale Technology demonstrates compassion by providing medical assistance, transport support, for food allowance, and financial aid during emergencies. This initiative had reduced employee stress and promote work-life balance. Management also shows empathy towards employees' personal challenges, which contributes to a supportive and caring workplace culture. This compassionate approach enhances employee loyalty, moral, and overall well-being. Such practices align closely with Malaysia Madani's emphasis on human dignity and social responsibility. The final principle is compassion, which focuses on employee welfare and human-centered management. Sunningdale Technology demonstrates compassion by providing medical assistance, transport support, for food allowance, and financial aid during emergencies. This initiative had reduced employee stress and promote work-life balance. Management also shows empathy towards employees' personal challenges, which contributes to a supportive and caring workplace culture. This compassionate approach enhances employee loyalty, moral, and overall well-being. Such practices align closely with Malaysia Madani's emphasis on human dignity and social responsibility. Based on the interview findings, several recommendations can be made to further strengthen alignment with Malaysia Madani principle. Firstly, the company could expand renewable energy initiative to further improve sustainability. Secondly, innovation reward system could be enhanced to encourage more employee participation in idea generation. Additionally, strengthening employee well-being programs and increasing collaboration with educational institutions could further support prosperity, innovation, and compassion.